Welcome to Payfunnels. In this video we will show you how to create a recurring invoice with a custom payment interval. Start by clicking on New Invoice and entering the product name and the description. Then, select Recurring under the payment type and input the amount you want to charge the customer on a daily, weekly, monthly, yearly basis. Let's enter $1,000 and choose Custom under the recurring period. Here, you can set a custom interval according to your needs, say 5, 8, 10 or 15 days. Let's set the interval to every 15 days. This means you'll charge $1,000 every 15 days. Next, click on Advanced Options and select the currency for the invoice. You can select any currency you want. Let's choose USD. Once done, then scroll down and save the invoice. You will now see the invoice link is created that can be shared with your customer for payment. You can also email the invoice from here. Thank you for watching the video. For more tips and tutorials, subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to email us at support@payfunnels.com.